Welcome to the third lesson of the starter kit. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over the free and paid resources that you're going to need to successfully start your Amazon FBA journey. Now, first, we're going to start off with the paid stuff. So we got software. So the first one is Viral Launch and Jungle Scout. Now, there's a lot of other software out there for Amazon FBA for every step of the process. I'm starting you off on the first one. So if you remember in the last video, the first step was to find a product. Right now, these two softwares are essential almost to finding a product. Now, can you do it without them? Yes, but it will take 3, 4, 5 times longer to do. So for the small cost of these software, it's very much worth the time that you're gonna save. So Viral Launch, there's different levels of each, right? But Viral Launch, the basic one is $30 per month. And then there's 4 levels. So the first level is $30 a month. The second level, which is called intermediate, is what we suggest to most beginners. The intermediate one is $60 a month. Now, again, for everything I list here, there's gonna be links in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and grab them if you're ready to start today. But for Viral Launch, it's 30 to 60 bucks a month, depending on which one you get. And this is a software that will let you put in filters into their software, and it'll spit out Amazon listings that meet those filters. So remember, I said you need high sales and low reviews. Viral Launch lets you put in the amount of sales that you're looking for, and then, which we typically say 300 or more, and then you put in how many reviews maximum. So it'll spit out just products with high sales and low reviews. The next one is Jungle Scout. Now, Jungle Scout, the one that we suggest, they have the same kind of thing as Viral Launch where you can do the filters, but we suggest to get the Jungle Scout, just the Chrome extension. Now, what Jungle Scout does that's cool is that they have a Chrome extension when you have Google Chrome. When you're on Amazon.com and you search any product, you just click the top right corner, you can click the Jungle Scout extension, and it has a drop-down menu, and it shows you the sales, the price, the reviews of all the products on that page. So it really gives you a good idea of the product and the market that you're looking at. And for beginners, it also has an opportunity score on the top right of the drop down that lets you see their own opportunity score, which we suggest don't follow that all the time because it is very rudimentary, but it gives you, for beginners, it gives you a good baseline to know exactly what could make a good product, right? So those are the two external software. Now, the seller account is not really a software, but this is your actual Amazon selling account. So we do suggest to get the Pro account because with the Pro account, it lets you run the PPC, the pay-per-click that I mentioned in the last video. So the Pro seller account is $40 per month. But the cool thing about the Amazon account is that you can sign up today for your Amazon account, and if you don't sell products for 3 months, 4 months, 5, 6, even a year later, I signed up today, paid 40 bucks a month for an entire year, and I didn't sell a single product, I can call Amazon and tell them, hey, I didn't sell any products when I had this Pro seller account, please reimburse my money. And what Amazon will do, they'll reimburse all the 12 months that you didn't sell a product. So we typically suggest to get the seller account right away so you can get in there, you can start playing around, you can start understanding how the menus work because it's quite an extensive account that has a lot of stuff that you can do. So get in there, and then if it takes you 2 months, it takes you 3 months to sell your first product. Once you get your first sale, you go ahead, you call Amazon, and you say, hey, I didn't sell for the first 3 months, please reimburse my money. And they'll go ahead and they'll give you all your money back. So those are the 3 paid things that you need to get right off the bat. Again, there's more software that comes into this, but for the very beginning, that's all you're really gonna need. Next is the free resources. So Facebook groups. Facebook groups is a huge, huge way to learn Amazon because you're not just learning from videos like you're watching right now. You can actually interact with sellers at all stages. You can interact with sellers that are in the same stage as you. You can interact with, sellers that are way ahead of you and get advice from them. And all levels of sellers are on Facebook groups. So we do have our own Facebook group. Again, the link is in the description. And from there, you can start learning. There's lots of other groups, but go ahead and start with ours because you can get in right now and it's free. So next is FBA Reddit. So reddit.com. If you don't know, it's one of the biggest, I think it is the largest online forum site. And there they have a Fulfillment by Amazon forum page where people post stuff about Amazon. It's a great resource to, again, learn from people's posts, learn from their mistakes, learn from what they're doing, cool new innovations that they're doing, and also just interact with the local Reddit community there. Next is YouTube. So we do have a YouTube channel. You're on it right now if you're watching this, Every Man's Empire, where we teach everything Amazon FBA. That you can check that out on our channel actually. There's also other channels, of course, that teach the same or different, I guess, Amazon FBA related things. So YouTube is a great way to soak up a lot of information. And then again, the very last one is free workshop. So I'm assuming if you're actually in this FBA starter kit right now, you already signed up for a free workshop and that's how you got in here. But if you stumble in here from another avenue, then we do have a free workshop where we cover a huge amount of cool, the workshop is very different from what you'll find on YouTube, what you'll find anywhere else, because it is a paid training essentially that we're offering for free. We cover a lot of unconventional teaching, like compared to a lot of other people that teach Amazon FBA on YouTube. The workshop that we offer has a lot of different ways of looking at things. It's really the new way of going about Amazon FBA, because you're probably worried about, you've probably heard that Amazon is getting competitive and it's getting harder. Well, the way that we teach it in the workshop, really, it doesn't matter how competitive it gets, because we found a system and a formula that really works. So if you haven't already signed up for the workshop, links in the description, and if you have signed up for the workshop, make sure you show up to your scheduled workshop date. So that's about it for the tools to success for Amazon FBA. Again, all the links are in the description if you need to grab any of those. And then if not, I'm just gonna see you in the next video.